How do I run a Python script from C#? This sort of question has been asked before in varying degrees, but I feel it has not been answered in a concise way, and so I ask it again. I want to run a script in Python. Let's say it's this, which gets a file location, reads it, then prints its contents. Not so complicated. Okay, so how do I run this in C#? This is what I have now. When I pass the code.py location as cmd and the file name location as args, it doesn't work. I was told I should pass python.exe as the cmd and then code.py file name as the args. I have been looking for a while now and can only find people suggesting to use ironpython or such. But there must be a way to call a Python script from C#. Some clarification. I need to run it from C#, I need to capture the output, and I can't use ironpython or anything else. Whatever hack you have will be fine. PS, the actual Python code I'm running is much more complex than this, and it returns output which I need in C#, and the C# code will be constantly calling the Python code. Pretend this is my code.
The reason it isn't working is because you have used shell execute equals false. If you don't use the shell, you will have to supply the complete path to the Python executable as file name, and build the argument string to supply both your script and the file you want to read. Also note that you can't redirect standard out unless you shell execute equals false. I'm not quite sure how the argument string should be formatted for Python, but you will need something like this.
If you're willing to use ironpython, you can execute scripts directly in C#. Get ironpython here.
Execute Python script from C. Create a C# project and write the following code. Python sample_script. You will see the Python C# test in the console of C#.
I ran into the same problem and Master Morality's answer didn't do it for me. The following, which is based on the previous answer, worked. As an example, cmd would be at c:/python26/python.exe and args would be c:. .py100 if you wanted to execute test.py with cmd line argument 100. Note that the path the .py file does not have the @ symbol.
Actually, it's pretty easy to make integration between Sharp, Versus, and Python with ironpython. It's not that much complex, as Chris Dunaway already said in answer section. I started to build this integration for my own project. And it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps and you will get your results. Step 1, open Versus and create new empty console app project. Step 2, go to Tools-NuGet Package Manager-Package Manager console. Step 3, after this open this link in your browser and copy the NuGet command. Link this URL. Step 4, after opening the above link, copy the PM, install package ironpython version 2.7.9. Command and paste it in NuGet console in Versus. It will install the supportive packages. Step 5, this is my code that I have used to run a .py file stored in my python.exe directory. Step 6, save and execute the code.
Tree.